Welcome back to Lost Traction. On today's episode, I'm getting a new car and we are parting ways with the Mini. Yes, this has been an absolute pain in the ass to sell, so I'm part exchanging it. I didn't want to, but I'm going to. But I'm part exing it, something which I personally think is very cool, and it's something I've wanted for a very long time, and I'm pretty amazed I can get it at the age I am, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it should be good. You'll see it in a couple of seconds.
Tactical bridge.
How the fuck has it crashed here? Like, honestly, that is so impressive.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's a skill issue, that. Can't park there, mate. Right, so we're in the car. Scott's behind the wheel.
Yes.
We're not going to tell you what car it is yet. What's the initial
thoughts?
Yeah.
I love it, for sure. I'm just not used to it. I've been used to driving like BMWs and stuff, so all this is very...
we'll tell you that it's an Audi, just don't read what it says on the bomb badge. But we're going to test it to its full capabilities right now. This is a massive car, also known as a land yacht, and we're coming up to a nice pond somewhere in the...
It's the Watford Lake.
Yes, the Watford Lake, somewhere over there, which is why there's a big traffic jam. Luckily this car has air suspension, so I've just raised the suspension up. So hopefully we should be able to clear it and not flood the full car.
We are on our way to Tesco to financially realise how much this is going to cost to run.
It's got a pretty big fuel tank, and it's a pretty guzzly engine, and it's a couple of bars into the fuel. That's what, 2 bars up? 3 bars.
We're just above a quarter.
Fantastic. So that's probably like 20 miles of range. So we're coming up to Said Lake. Tesla, that's dangerous activities. Electric shock.
Roundabout at the third exit.
Lovely clean new car.
We have stopped at Tesco already. Bossman is currently filling up the car. This is probably going to be expensive.